What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys is a special day because I have my performance numbers and benchmark numbers plus the thermals for my newest build that I just built last week, or was it 2 weeks ago? Well, just know I built this PC just recently and I told you guys there'll be a part 2 to this whole PC build, and that's gonna be the benchmarking, performance, thermals, all that good stuff that you guys have been patiently waiting for. So I'm definitely gonna be showing you guys that in just a little bit, but first let me tell you quick story that happened to me in the recent week. Pretty much I woke up one morning just like I always do, and I checked my PC, check thermals. I have a little routine, you know, so don't make fun of me for that. And I checked my PC and literally I saw the capacity of my memory kit just dropping down every time I restarted it, every time I turned it on to do the testing, and it was just heartbreaking. And literally I thought the CPU had an issue, and I was really like saying to myself, oh my god, here we go again, because just last year or 2 years ago I had the same issue where I had a faulty memory controller on the CPU, and guys, that made me just go berserk. I had to disassemble the PC, tear it down, drain it, all that stuff that any water cooling PC enthusiast or PC owner doesn't want to have to do, but you know, we got to do it for the water cooling, right? Some things you got to just do, and I enjoy doing it, so don't get me wrong. But anyway, I figured out, and I luckily found out that it had nothing to do with the CPU. It was the memory kit that was at fault. So I got a brand new memory kit, and we're gonna be actually installing that together, or we're gonna try to install it together. I'm gonna use one hand, so we'll see what we can do. One hand on the camera, the other hand popping them sticks in. So let's see how that goes, and after that we'll go ahead and get the benchmarking and thermals and all that, you know, nice pretty stuff that you want to see what this PC is capable of. So let's get right to it. All right, so let's go ahead and shut this baby down so we could get the memory sticks installed. And there she goes in 1, 2. Oh, what is this? What there we go. It's about to turn. It's about to turn, and it is off, or it's off now. There you go. See, 2 times is the charm. All right, so let's check out the memories. So what we're dealing with today, ladies and gentlemen, we got the G.Skill Trident Z Royales. This is a really sexy ass RAM kit module, and honestly guys, this separates you from the average memory stick people. You got something like this, they know you're made of luxury. So we're gonna be rocking the 3600 megahertz frequency, C14 timings, which they're a little bit of an upgrade compared to my last memory sticks that I actually put into Fantasia. So really excited to install these, and here goes the mothership. So let's open this up, let's see what we are working with. All right, so let's move Gamer Mini, and let's get this sucker Mickey out of here. He's like, no, don't take me out, don't take me out of my home, get over here. Basically what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to get these memory sticks, and it shouldn't be that hard because the tube is not actually blocking it. So we got good clearance to take those memory sticks out. This shouldn't be hard. Let's go ahead and unpop each RAM kit stick. 3 and 4, perfect. Go ahead and pull these out. We got 1 stick out, 2 sticks out. Come on, come on. You know you want to get out. I know you do. All right, we got 3 sticks out, and we got the last stick out. Perfect. Now let's get the new memory kit installed. All right, and there we go. It is brand new in the box. All right guys, so just because it has very shiny reflective heatsink, I wore gloves just because I don't want any fingerprints on these. So we're gonna do some surgery, guys. Feels really good, especially when you're moving plastic peel from brand new electronics. Wouldn't you guys agree? All right, so let's get this bad boy inside. Just gotta make sure I am doing it on the right side. By the way guys, this takes a lot of skills. One memory stick, one hand memory stick in the process, and we got the first one, I believe. There you go. Heard that click, sounds good. To the next one, and we're gonna go for this one now. Taking the plastic off the memory kit, do the same to this side, and boom, we got this one taken off, and off to, should be in. Nice click, and the last click. Oh shit. Let's get this one in. Boom. Nice flipperooey inside the memory channel, and gotta get that in, slot it in right. One click. And last but not least, this one should be going in. Hopefully we don't drop the PC, because that would be a nightmare. But you know, we've come so far, we cannot fail now. And the click in for that one, there you go. So we got all clicks in. Let's see if she boots. All right, she's booting, she's booting. Are we gonna get a VGA code? And we got a boot. We got a boot, ladies and gentlemen. She is ready to rumble. Alrighty, so as far as thermals and performance numbers go, we are sitting with the 10900K. I did a light overclock on this CPU, not too much. I saw the temperature on this CPU in specific was hitting close to like 78, like 75, 80, and I just didn't feel comfortable with something that hot running in the system. So I toned it down a little bit, brought the core voltage, as you guys can see, to 1.2, around 1.25. So we're sitting at a good performance number. 4.9 it hovers, it hits 5. You know, but I'm really happy with the CPU number, and I'm gonna keep it just because it's something that I'm comfortable with, you know. And as far as temperature goes, let's look at the temperatures. All right, so where's the mouse? Get over here. Where's the mouse? There we go. Temperatures, we're gonna look, and as you guys can see, through all cores, we're ranging around 54 with the highest at 67 with a core package, CPU package at 64 degrees Celsius. Not bad, not too shabby, not too shabby. And as far as the GPU goes, the GPU, we're at over 2 gigahertz with the temperatures on both cards 56 degrees Celsius. Look at that, guys, 2 cards hitting 2 gigahertz. I put a light overclock on the graphics cards. I am a happy boy with these results. It really can't get any better. It probably could get a little bit better, but I don't want to test the limits, and I really don't want my computer to catch on fire. So we are gonna stay at these performance settings, and hopefully everything stays silky smooth. You guys saw the performance settings, you guys saw thermals, you guys saw the overclock settings, you guys know that she's running proper. And without further ado, here are the gaming benchmarks for my brand new PC. Alright guys, so those are the benchmark numbers for my brand new gaming PC, and it was great numbers. On average, we were ranging from 150 to 160 FPS for 1440p, and on 4K we were hitting 120, 125. So that's really good considering the fact this monitor's refresh rate was sitting at like 120. Sometimes I bumped it up to 140, but I am very pleased with the numbers. And probably later on, you know, as time goes by, I'll increase the overclock, try to squeeze more performance out of it, but for right now this will do. Also for the fans, I didn't bump them up really high. They were on medium settings, so it didn't feel like there was a jet in this room. Really happy with the cooling, really happy with the numbers. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here, guys, and if you guys have any comments or if you guys have any ideas for any content you guys want me to make, just let me know in the comments down below. I appreciate your support, all the love you guys been giving me. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and as always guys, catch you on the next one.